we're going to perform the maintenance minder reset procedure on this 2005 Mercedes C320. And we are going to click the key on to position 2. All the warning lights are going to illuminate. Using the arrow buttons on the steering wheel, we will scroll through until the service interval / wrench symbol appears. And we will push and hold the reset button for 3 to 4 seconds. Once the menu changes and asks you to confirm a maintenance reset, you will then push again the reset button for 3 seconds. Service interval A has been reset. And we are also going to reset service B. Release, press again for 3 seconds. Interval reset is complete. Key back off, and we will restart the engine just to confirm that the reset has indeed taken place. And we are good to go. Thanks for watching.